Do you want to manage subtitles and captions while watching videos on IMDb app? In this video, I will show you how to control subtitles and captions on the IMDb app step by step, so you can customize your viewing experience the way you like. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to this application of IMDb. As you see, you will click. After that, in this first page, you will find this sign of profile, so you will tap on profile. Here in this page, you will move to settings, so you will tap on settings. After that, on settings, you will go to video, as you see here. And in this video settings, you will find subtitles and captions, so you will tap on this sign here, as you see. And then they will show you here, always on subtitles and captions are on when muted, or just disable subtitles and captions, so you can control it in the way you like in this page here. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.